Bula started off when I was about like 5, and I played rugby, played soccer as well, and moved to Del Kusha Boys down in Osori. And for secondary school, I went to Queen Victoria School. Then got a scholarship to play in New Zealand for 2 years, and stayed there for around 7 years until I moved back last year. In New Zealand, I attended St. Kennigan College in Auckland. For rugby club, I started off in Te Puna. It's in the Bay of Plenty. Then I got through to the Bay of Plenty Steamers. I played a season there, then I came over. Mostly just to support my family, especially my mum and my 4 siblings. Challenges in New Zealand, just not having family there, and injuries. I had surgery on my shoulder, and a few little injuries. Being part of Drua is like a dream come true, and I feel at home and I enjoy the boys' company and stuff. Main thing for me is just gaining weight. Yeah, just listen to your parents and work hard. Just being lazy. Just being lazy and probably not drinking too much if you want to make it. Naka.